For today's property tour, we are going to be previewing floor plan Cypress, and let's see if this is the floor plan for you. Stay tuned. My name is Romero Fragoso. I am a Las Vegas realtor and I specialize in new construction. If this is your first time to my channel, what I do on my channel is I tour all the newest communities here throughout the Las Vegas area to show you what builders are offering so you can decide if the home and community is right for you. If this is something you're interested, subscribe to my channel. Also tap that bell for notification. That way you don't miss any upcoming tours. Buying a new build is exciting, but there is a lot to consider. There's pricing, there's incentives, there's what is included with your home. That's what I'm here for, to help you through the process and to find that perfect home for you. For today's tour, we are in the community of Opus by Taylor Morrison in Henderson, the master plan of Cadence. And in this community, they actually have two different collections. So they have the collection Melanie and Harmony, and each collection has 5 different floor plans. So let me give you some details about this community. So here, like I mentioned, 10 different floor plans here available. They range from 1,856 square feet to up to 2,784 square feet. And they range from 3 to up to 6 bedrooms. And they also have either 2-story, even up to 3-story homes here in this community. Also, this community is located in the southeast of Las Vegas. So you're gonna be about 25 minutes to the strip, you're 20 minutes to the airport, and about 20 minutes to downtown Las Vegas. And average lot size here in this community is around 35 to 4,000 square foot lots. HOA is $75. And what does the HOA include? It has, you have trails, you're gonna have Olympic sized community pools, parks, barbecue areas, dog parks, and much more. Also here, lot premiums, they range from $0 to up to $40,000. So it just kind of depends on the lot you go with. Also for upgrades, you will hear us mention the base price. That is just the base price, guys. So you'd have to add the lot premiums if there is, and also account for any upgrades. So here in this community, I would say about 10 to 15% additional to that base price. And I'll give you a rough idea of the upgrades you go with. Now, let's check out the model home to see if it's the right fit for you. All right, so here we have floor plan Cypress in the community of Harmony by Taylor Morrison. And this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It is a 1,998 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price is $470,990, guys. Got pavers in the driveway. And another thing, keep in mind, guys, front landscaping will be included with your home purchase. What won't be included, guys, is going to be your backyard landscaping. That is not included for the most part in on new construction homes, unless you do buy maybe a model home, or maybe there are some builders that do landscape their backyard so they can sell them as quick move-in. So, but keep in mind, most 95% of the time, you're not going to get your backyard landscape. Go inside and take a look at Cypress. So as soon as you come in, guys, 9-foot ceilings, you got tile flooring. And before I get any further, guys, keep in mind, guys, this is a model home. So you are gonna see a lot of upgrades. So a lot of stuff is not standard. So just something to keep in mind. But look at this, guys. Kitchen, dining, and your living room area. So I would say, nice sized living room. And over here, your dining. I do like how everything does have its own section. And I'm a big fan of that. Sometimes dining is in between the living room and kitchen. Nothing against it. That's just my preference is something like this, that everything has its own designated area. Quartz island seats about 3 people. Got the gray cabinets, stainless steel hardwares. Look at this. Let's check out this kitchen. Got the refrigerator, got your stove, your microwave, you got the tile backsplash. And over here you got the stainless steel dual undermount sink. Then over here you have your dishwasher, but let me give you guys a look. Let's just say you're washing dishes or even prepping food. This would be what you see. Let me know in the comments below if you like what you see. Then let me show you the backyard. Unfortunately, I don't have access to it, but I will show you from the slider. So really quick, you know, as modeled, so you do have the option to have a covered patio. If you could, honestly, go for it. It's here in Vegas, guys. It's no secret. We live in the desert. It gets hot. If you want to enjoy your backyard like this, maybe put a barbecue pit right here under or something. Protect yourself from the sun. But like I mentioned in the beginning, guys, backyard landscaping is not done for you. This is just for strictly for modeling purposes. So just be mindful. You do have up to 12 months to complete your backyard landscaping. So just a heads up. But here it is. Look at this beauty. Absolutely stunning. Average lot size here, 135 to 4,000 square foot lots. And you know, they're from $0 to up to 40K, you know, depending if you get a nice oversized premium lot. So that would be the cost. And then right over here, you have your pantry. And some more nice hiding spots over here. Me, definitely, you know, as I get older, you're not gonna find myself crawling over there. Definitely everything's gonna be right here. Arm's reach. That's your 2-car garage. I'm gonna check it out. It is locked. And right here, coat closet, in your powder room. Stunning. And I know I mentioned that price at the beginning, guys. Like I said, I always want to emphasize it. That's just the base price, guys, not include any upgrades. Honestly, the biggest upgrade is probably going to be the flooring for you guys. And obviously next is like the kitchen, typically what I see. So I always tell people just about 10 to 15% on average. Could be less, could be more. I don't know. At the end of the day, it kind of just depends on you. So as we head upstairs, guys, want to share something critical if you're considering a new construction home. So it's super vital to bring me or your trusted realtor, but I do hope it's me. I'm kidding. It's still important, guys. You guys know this information. Because if we don't come with you on the first initial visit, guys, the builder may prevent us from assisting later. So why is this so important? So unlike the builder's agent, guys, who are there to protect the builder's interest, I'm dedicated to you. So my role is to ensure you secure the best deal at the end of the day, sidestep any common pitfalls, and protect your interest every step of the way. So if you're like a seasoned realtor by your side, and I hope that's me, reach out anytime, guys. I will have my contact info below. So let's just make this exciting journey smooth as possible, savvy and fun, guys. So as soon as you come up, guys, you do have a loft, 9-foot ceilings. And you got more bedrooms over there. And then right here, you do have the primary. We'll see the primary last, but right over here, we're gonna check out bedrooms right over here so you can see them. So here's your hallway bathroom. So you got the dual vanity, combination tub, stand-up shower, lighting. And then let's go over here. We'll work our way around, guys, until we get to that primary. Linen closet. Then bedroom number 1. This beauty. At the walk-in. Definitely not your biggest, but it's something, right? Some people like these little walk-ins versus having the sliding door closets. Let me know what you prefer. Now let's go over here. Check out the second bedroom. Look at this. What do you think? Then your laundry room. So you notice you are gonna have tile as a standard, right? If you go carpet upstairs, the wet areas, laundry room, bathrooms, even the kitchen area. If you don't upgrade your flooring, carpet except the wet area. So just something to keep in mind. Then right behind this door, you got your smart panel box for your surviving goods like your internet, cable. I mean, we don't watch, a lot of people don't have cable nowadays, but internet is almost like survival thing you kind of need nowadays. Let's go check out the primary. Look at this. Wow, good size. Look how much space you have here off to the right. King size bed. Some oversized nightstands for sure. Still plenty of space. Look at this, guys. Sometimes on camera, it doesn't justify the size, but I am gonna do my best to show you. It's definitely good sized primary bedroom. Then you got the window that is facing the backyard. And it sure is a windy day here in Las Vegas today. Then right over here, last but not least, is your primary bathroom. Check this out. Little vanity. Got the stand-up shower right over there. Tile flooring. Linen closet. And right behind me, guys, got the toilet. Check out this primary closet, guys, as I walk through it. Look at this. Isn't this cool? Look how long and narrow it is. This is definitely one of the longer primary closets that I've seen in a while. Check this out. Yeah, pretty. It's bigger than what I need. I mean, don't tell that to my wife. She'll probably still think it's tiny, but I'm kidding. No, it's good size. Well, guys, let me know what you guys think of this floor plan, guys. Definitely love to hear your opinions. And if you'd like to come schedule a private showing, this floor plan, or maybe another home here in this community, or maybe a whole other community, or even resale homes looking to sell, I would definitely love to be your agent choice and be with you every step of the way. So I will have my contact info below. Like always, guys, if you guys enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming tours. Until next time, guys.